In exploration, permits unlock progress, but real value comes from what happens once the drills start turning. So, what should investors expect next? Today, we're looking at how First Development Resources is advancing the Selta project and what its multi commodity potential could mean for long term value. I'm joined today by Tristan Pottas, CEO of First Development Resources. Tristan, welcome to the watch list.
Thanks, Ricky. Great to be speaking today.
It's a pleasure to have you. So tell us, Tristan, you've now secured the notice of authority for the Selta project, clearing the way for drilling at Ladner West. How confident are you that this upcoming RC program can accelerate value creation and deliver meaningful results in the near term?
Yeah, look. The short answer is I absolutely can. Look, you can't do anything without approvals and permissions. As any responsible operator knows, you have to go through the necessary steps to ensure that you are compliant across the board. So we're really pleased to have received this, what is the final regulatory approval, and now we are, like you say, clearing the way for drilling. And when it comes to exploration, Ricky, it is all about the drill bit. We spent months doing some really fantastic technical works, multi-layered exploration, you bringing in different techniques, so different geophysical techniques, historical geochemical data, bringing it all together. And basically, we've identified some really solid targets, but ultimately, it all comes down to the drill, and we can't wait to get those drills turning. And if you find something, Ricky, then of course, it'll be a major inflection point for the business.
Amazing. And speaking of which, a big part of that confidence seems to come from the groundwork already completed. So with integrated geophysical and geochemical analysis helping refine your targets, how much does that data-driven approach improve your chances of a meaningful discovery?
Do you know what? You can't really emphasize that point enough. In exploration, it is all about looking to try to de-risk and add confidence wherever possible. So as explorers, what we always try to do is we try to obtain as much information as possible from the outset and then layer it together. And what we're looking for, Ricky, is multiple coincident anomalies. And what I mean by that is if when we layer the data up, if we start to see something in the data which just stands out and it's present in every single data set, and it kind of fits the exploration model that we're targeting, it immediately becomes a high priority target that we want to test with drilling. So because we've invested heavily in doing all the technical groundwork, first of all, we believe that the drill hole positions are in the right place. And as I said before, now it's all about testing them with a drill rig, and we can't wait.
I can't wait either. Full of excitement. But beyond a single target, Celta appears to offer exposure to multiple commodities with gold, lithium, rare earth elements all in play. How does that multi-commodity potential strengthen the project's overall value and long-term strategy?
Look, I guess what it does present is flexibility, Ricky. And as an explorers, you always want to make sure that you're looking what's coming next. Okay, obviously you've got your priority projects, but work takes time. It takes time to analyze data, to get results back, to get the permissions. So when you can bring in other projects within your work area for different commodities, and it gives you that second thread to pull on, basically. And at Selta, as you mentioned, we've got multiple different metals in multiple different targets. In fact, through our desktop work, we've identified 9 separate targets, and that's everything from gold at Ladner West, through base metals, through to the lithium, as you just mentioned, and battery metals. We've got a whole suite. And in this current market where, different metals are firing at different times, gold always at safe haven. We're seeing lithium coming back, and the long-term future for rare earth elements, is looking pretty good. So from my perspective, as CEO of First Development Resources, having that optionality, having that flexibility, having that opportunity to bring in multiple different work programs simultaneously, hopefully gives us a better chance of making a discovery, and crucially keeps people interested in what we're doing.
So this is a project moving into an active phase where drilling supported by data and diversified commodity exposure could begin to unlock broader value. Thank you so much for your time today, Tristan.
Thanks very much, Ricky. It's been a pleasure.
Once again, that is Tristan Pottas, CEO of First Development Resources. For more on the Celta project and the company's strategy, visit firstdevelopmentresources.com. That's all for this episode of The Watch List. I'm Ricky Lee. Make good choices today.